Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're gonna be talking about Twitch alerts for console? Okay, here's the deal. There's a question that I've been getting asked for a long time is, hey, I'm streaming straight from my console, from my PS4 or from my Xbox One. How do I get those alerts? And the answer that I keep giving is, hey, this is some PC Master Race stuff, okay? Well, to those, I gotta say I'm sorry because there's a solution now. That's right, this video is sponsored by Own TV. They're the ones that came up with a Twitch extension to allow you to have alerts, even if you're streaming on console, even if you're streaming from your phone. It doesn't matter where you're streaming from. So let me elaborate. You probably heard of Twitch extensions. You can have extensions that are in your panels, such as like the schedule, the leaderboard, and stuff like that. But you can also have visual extensions that will be on the screen, basically, that will be on top of your stream. And although there are so many extensions to do all types of stuff, it's my first time hearing about an extension that actually does alerts. So if you get follows, hosts, bits, subs, resubs, gifted subs, the alerts will actually display on the viewer's screen. Keep in mind that with this extension, they do not take a cut on the bits. So you're Gucci. But that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and actually try it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is install it on my bots account. We're gonna use this as a test account basically. So if you want to install extensions, all you have to do is go to Creator Dashboard, go to its extensions, and then we'll look for our extension. So in this case, it's free stream alerts, I believe. Exactly, and then we find it right here. We're gonna click install. Here it's going to ask us if we want to continue browsing or if we want to configure. We're going to configure. Of course, it's going to ask you to authorize the extension. So we're going to click authorize now. We're going to click authorize. Thanks for granting permission. Okay, so there's a couple of steps. First one is choose alert design, choose alert events, 3 activate premium alerts. So choose alert design is basically where we're going to choose what our alerts are going to look like, and choose alert events is basically which events do we want to be triggered by the extension, or if you will, which alerts do we want to show up. So we're going to click choose alert design here, and as you can see on the top left corner of the alerts, there's a little crown that will indicate if those are premium alerts or not. There's already a pretty good variety of alerts. Most of them are animated and they look amazing, to be honest. So just hover over them to show a preview. We're going to stick with a normal free alert. Let's go with this one. We're going to choose this one and then click save. And then here you can have choose alert events. So if there are certain alerts you don't want to show up, you just got to click on that check mark and it will deactivate them. Custom text with variables is basically where you would type, for example, instead of saying this person has followed, you can type this person has joined the family. It gives you the little variable here. So follower will indicate the name of the person that follows. So if I copy this and I paste it here, it'll be like that. And you can see on the right, it'll show you a preview. So I'm going to set that up quickly and I'll see you guys right after. There you go. And then once you're done, don't forget to click top right to save. All right, so now that our alert is configured, we can click out and actually activate it. So we're gonna go here and set as overlay 1. Then it will tell us that the extension is active. We'll click done and we're gonna go back to our channel. Now I'm gonna start a test stream just to see if everything is working fine. Okay, so right now it appears that we are live on my bots channel. I'm gonna pause this real quick and now I'm gonna open up my main Twitch channel to basically look at this stream. Of course, we're also gonna watch an ad. Okay, so from the viewer's point of view, there's gonna be this little thing here that notifies that lets people know that, hey, there's an extension being used here and it's free stream alert. They can decide to turn it off if they want to, but now it's time to test. Turns out my main channel is not following my bot account, so we're going to click follow and see what happens. I'm actually going to switch to a scene so that you guys can really see what's going on. So this is my be right back screen and we're going to go back to my main channel. I'm going to wait for the switch. There it is. And now we're going to test the follow alert. I'm going to click follow. And as you can see, the follow alert shows up just like that. And of course, it's not being affected by your stream resolution. For example, I stream at like 480p or something like that because of my bad internet. The alerts are going to be super sharp. They're going to be in HD no matter what. Let's try the host. So I'm going to click host channel. And as you can see, it works flawlessly. Of course, my bots account isn't affiliated, so I won't be able to test bits or even subs for that matter. One thing to note is that they also have something included in your dashboard that's basically an events list that will allow you to see what's going on, basically what events it picks up on. You don't really have to use it because Twitch has its own activity feed basically, but it's a cool little option if you like to keep an eye on your dashboard while you stream. Now I know I've been presenting this as if it was mostly for console. Well, it is, in my opinion, it's mostly going to benefit console players, but there's actually so many other situations where you would want to use that type of alert. First of all, your VOD is going to be clean. So for YouTube creators, for example, you will not have the alerts show up in your VODs. That means that your whole video is going to be completely clean for editing. No visual interference, no audio interference, just clean VODs. Now I know that some streamers do sponsor streams or sometimes play in tournaments where they're not allowed to have alerts play on their stream. They have to turn them off. That is a good way to display alerts to your viewers without you being affected by the alerts. And of course, if the tournament or if the sponsor wants to use your VOD will be clean without any alerts showing up there. Now, of course, I had a bunch of questions for the devs. First of all, what about donations? So donations are not tracked because Twitch doesn't have a direct donation system. So if you already have donation set up, most likely you're going through a service company like Streamlabs, for example. And there's no way for OWN TV to track that. I'm guessing they could come up with their own donation platform, but that would require you to switch up your whole donation system. And their whole goal is to keep the thing simple and accessible to everyone. When it comes to the bits, they do not take a cut in your bits. That means all that money is going straight to you, no cut is taken. And of course, I asked them about the library, the size of the library, and they said they will be adding more alerts in the future. And now to the giveaway part. They were generous enough to actually give me 10 premium keys to give away to you guys. So all you have to do to access this giveaway is basically subscribe to the channel and then type something related to Twitch alerts in the comments. I will announce the winners in the community tab next week. I will also put an affiliate link in the description to their website where they actually sell a bunch of Twitch streamer assets such as overlay packs and animated custom alerts, etc. But that's it for the video. As always, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below if you want to participate to that giveaway for 10 premium keys. Type something related to the alerts or let me know, hey, I would like a premium key or something like that. Make sure you check out the links in the description. And yeah, we did it. Console players, you can now display visual alerts to your viewers. But in the meantime, you can follow me on social media. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get level out.